Hi guys, welcome once again. It's Mahuddin Shak, coach, trainer, speaker, and author. Today I'm going to teach you the rainy words, the vocabularies, and the sentences we use in monsoon, in rainy season. As the monsoon has set in and we are enjoying rain, so I thought let me make a video on the topic of rainy vocabularies, the vocabulary which we use in rain. So are you ready to learn? So let's get started. All right, so before it rains, what happens? The cloud starts gathering around. So we call the cloud is gathering, means बादल लग रहा है या जमा हो रहा है. We can also say it's cloudy, बादल जैसा लग रहा है. And what happens when the cloud gathers? The cloud starts rumbling. So you can say the cloud is rumbling. बादल गरज रहे हैं. If you want to use plural, you can also say the clouds are rumbling. The second word is it's thundering. बिजली चमक रही है. And there is one more word for bijli, that's called lightning. So it's thundering means बिजली चमक रही है. Thunderbolt means बिजली. बहुत बार बिजली गिर जाती है किसी जगह पे and that place is destroyed. So we say in English, the thunderbolt has struck many cars. मतलब बिजली बहुत कार के ऊपर में गिर गई है. The cars are wrecked or destroyed. Then is the wind is blowing hard. हवा तेज चल रही है. Then when the wind blows hard, what comes? Storm. Understood? So the storm has hit the city or the storm has hit the village. मतलब गांव में तूफान आ गया है या शहर में तूफान आ गया है. And then it starts raining. फिर बारिश शुरू हो जाती है. बारिश बरसने लगती है. So in English language, so let's see that how many words are used for rain in English language. The first one is called drizzle. When it rains slowly, very जब धीरे से रिमझिम बारिश होती है, that's called in English drizzle. So you can say it's drizzling. When it increases, it becomes rain, that normal raining. Normal barish is called rain, means it's raining. When it gets heavier, then you can use it's raining heavily. तेज बारिश हो रही है. And it gets even heavier, then we say downpour, means it's downpouring. बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है. And there is one more phrase for it, that's called rain cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs, means बहुत तेज मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. So these are the words we use for rain. That shows the degree of rain, that what kind of rain is happening. So these are important words. So if you use word appropriately, you don't have to speak many sentences in order to explain, because that word will convey the message you want to send across. Now when it rains heavily, when it rains cats and dogs, then what happens? The water accumulates all around. So you can say the water has accumulated everywhere, like पानी हर जगह जमा हो गया है. And then what happens after that? The roads are flooded. Means पानी रोड पे बह रहा है या पानी रोड पे जमा हो गया है या पानी रोड पे लग गया है. So you can say the roads are flooded. And then जब पानी धीरे-धीरे when rain stops and the water starts receding, पानी धीरे-धीरे कम होने लगता है या निकलने लगता है. फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज द वाटर इज रिसीडिंग नाउ. अब पानी जो रोड पे जमा हुआ था दैट इज रिसीडिंग. द वाटर विच हैड एक्यूमुलेटेड ऑन द रोड इज slowly receding. It's receding. So it's called the water is receding. Then is what happens after rain? What happens? The rain has caused many puddles and pit holes on the road. Puddles is called थोड़ा छोटा सा गड्ढा हो जाए और उसमें पानी जमा हो जाए. That's called puddles. So normally it happens during rains when it rains heavily or downpours heavily. Then you will find puddles at many places where the water accumulates in it. So छोटे से गड्ढे में पानी जमा हो जाए, that is called puddle in English. So the rain has caused puddle and pit holes. Pit holes में छोटे छोटे गड्ढे. Normally it happens during a monsoon when it rains heavily. You might have experienced it on road. There are many pit holes and that causes many accidents. Every year during monsoon when municipal corporation fails to build the road or fails to repair the road after rain, then that pit holes cause many accidents. So the rain has caused many puddles and pit holes on the road. बारिश ने रोड पे बहुत सारे puddles और pit holes कर दिए हैं. Right. These are the words. Then now we will see that what happens. I got wet in rain. मैं बारिश में भीग गया या गीला हो गया. जब आप बहुत ज्यादा गीले हो जाते हैं then what we call I am drenched or you can say I am soaked. मतलब मैं पानी में तरबतर हो गया हूँ. एकदम पूरा पानी में बहुत ज्यादा भीग गया हूँ कि पानी बदल से पानी टप टप टपक रहा है. So if that is the situation you can use I am drenched. मैं पानी में बिल्कुल तरबतर हो गया हूँ. और you can say I am soaked. This is what this you can also use I am soaked. Then what happens when you go out in rain? Then the water आप छींटे उड़ाते हैं बहुत अपने आप पे या फिर कोई गाड़ी गई तो आपके ऊपर छींटा उड़ता है. So how do we use this word छींटा उड़ना? So let's have a look. He splashes the mud while walking. वो चलने के वक्त छींटे यानी कीचड़ उड़ाता है. Splash means उड़ाना, mud means कीचड़. So he splashes the mud while walking. Let's have a look. What else can you use? The car splashed the mud on me. कार ने मेरे ऊपर कीचड़ उड़ा दिया. The roads have become muddy. Muddy means कीचड़ वाला और roads सब कीचड़ वाले हो गए. So guys, these are the words we use during monsoon or in rain. So I believe that this video will help you improving your vocabularies. So guys, you practice it and watch this video again and again in order to remember these vocabularies. And if you have not subscribed this channel till now, do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that you get the notification regularly. So catch you in next video. Goodbye. Take care. See you in next video.